Hey everybody, it's Dan of Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG A 4MATIC. This vehicle comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Some nice red stitching accents. Lots of AMG badging as well. Very sporty vehicle here. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Let's come around to the rear. So we've got our AMG Mercedes-Benz A35 badging, power opening trunk. Take a look at rear seats next. So again, that red stitching accent, you'll see that throughout the vehicle. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Alright, let's take a look at our driver's side here next. So power memory seats, both driver and passenger. Door controls. Driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel, and let's hop inside. Mileage currently at 19,579. Do have a push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Of course, you can make adjustments right on the display right there. You also have the command module down here you can make adjustments with. We have climate control, and more of that AMG badging, LED interior lights, and Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.